Oh, hi, Margaret.
Hi.
Let's see how the little baby's doing. He's grown up in the last couple of weeks
Oh,
since La
so
Jolla, hasn't
big. I'm so... Where's your daddy? I think he's over there. He's filming. Woo! Woo! Hey, Donald. 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 Donald.
he? He seems to enjoy that.
Yeah.
Are you giving him a massage? A little lotion and things. Taking care of your baby.
Lots of lotion for Poppy.